Lately, I've been selling a ton of benches. 2-3 a week, and the last few that I did, I sold unpainted. Well sanded, ready to paint, but no finish. I ran out of 2x4s, and today was my lucky day. They had a fresh new pallet. All straight boards, I stocked up. Let's make a new bench from 4 of them. This one, cut-wise, is very simple. One of the boards, you just cut 6 times into 14 and 3/4 inch cuts. Make sure to trim off the end first and use a stop block for precise results. Today I'm not using the joiner or the planer. This is a simple build and it turned out awesome. For the 3 other boards, from the flattest and the nicest end, I take 2 9-inch cuts, trimming off the end first as well. The rest of the boards I cut 75-inch boards from the length that I want my bench. Feel free to use the rest or even new ones for a full-length bench at 96 inches. If you want written instructions, cut lists, and everything you need to build this without the video, check out my YouTube membership option in the description, which includes all my build plans, about 30 so far, and my future members only videos. Thanks for checking it out, and while at it, please like and subscribe. It helps skyrocket my channel to a ton of new people. Thanks to all subscribers that helped. This is what you should end up with. Take the long boards and set them aside. We're building 3 sets of identical legs. Try to put the nicest face of the 2x4s towards the outside. It will give you a better result once we sand, easier to get nice faces. Add the 9-inch boards inside the 14 and 3/4 inch ones, leaving a 1.5 inch gap for the bottom. I'm using a spare board to measure that. Clamp everything up and use 3/8 pocket hole bit to pre-drill about halfway into the 2x4s, 2 per connection. This is to add a long wood screw, but then hide it all with a wooden dowel for a clean, screwless look. Do it for all 3 leg sets, 24 screws in total. It takes a while, but that's almost all of the job. This is a simple build, quick money if you're selling it. Repeat for the 2 next sets. Remember to keep the nice faces towards the outside. It'll matter a lot when finalizing the bench. Add some glue in each hole, plug in a dowel, and using a pull saw, cut it flush. Those sand great later, and I love how they look. Repeat for all 24 holes. I gave it about 10 minutes for the dowels to firm up before I gave everything a solid sanding. Make it nice, this will matter, make it seem like a wood bench, not a 2x4 bench. Remember, we're selling it as is, no paint. I sanded the 2x4s, but just the bottoms and sides for now. I'll sand the tops once it's assembled, I just want to make it easier for later now. Align the legs on the uglier side of the 2x4. The nicer face faces down. And remove the middle one. Glue the legs onto the 2x4s and screw them, making sure they stay flush to the sides. Added 2 screws per 2x4 per leg, so 6 per leg once we add the final 2x4. Add the last set of legs right in the middle, measuring first. To add the last 2x4, align it, but push the bench over to add some glue. Then screw it like the others, making sure the ends arrive flush with the other two 2x4s. Flip it over, making sure it's square. I use those planks to have a flat surface, as my table saw and workbench aren't the best, and it was flat. Again, I'm not painting this, it goes right to the marketplace as a for paint or stain project, which I've had great success selling in this early summer. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and see you next time.